Welcome to Cooking with
Mama.
Okay, so today we are going to be cooking Bureg. Bureg is a pastry dough that is filled with cheese. So first we're going to begin with 6 squares of phyllo dough, 2 eggs, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of Casablanca cheese, 2 tablespoons of ricotta cheese, and 1/4 of a cup of water. First, you will begin with mixing the mozzarella, the Casablanca, and the ricotta cheese. In addition to this, you'll add 1 egg. You will mix it with your hands until it's all combined. Now you're going to put the cheese in the middle of the bureg. And so after you put the cheese in the middle, get your water and trace the outsides of the phyllo dough with water. Then you fold the phyllo dough over. You squish the sides and take a fork and imprint the sides so that it sticks together. Next, you're going to break an egg and beat it, and then brush it onto the top of the bureg. So this is the finished product, and now we're gonna taste it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Cheers.
Yum yum.
Really good. Whoa.
Is this Mama?
Definitely recommend you try it. See you next time on Cooking with
Mama.